Hey guys, welcome back to Fashion Forward, where we bring you the latest in style trends and tips to keep you on top of your fashion game. Today's video is all about footwear, particularly focusing on some of the most elegant, elegant and chic shoes for women in 2024. We are talking about stiletto high heels, moles, and sandals. If you are looking to elevate your wardrobe this year, this is the video for you. So sit back, relax, and let's walk through the most have trends for you for your show collection. Introduction to stilettos. Stiletto heels have been a fashion staple for decades, but in 2024 we are seeing some exciting updates to this classic silhouette. Known for their slender heels that can reach up to 6 inches or more, stilettos are the ultimate symbol of femininity and sophistication. 2024 stiletto trends. In 2024, stiletto designs are becoming more artistic and daring. Expect to see bold embellishments like crystal feathers and even unexpected materials like transparent vinyl and metallic finishes. Designers are experimenting with unique heel shapes, making stilettos not just a shoe but a statement piece. Brands like Christian Louboutin and Jimmy Choo are leading the charge with innovative designs that blend high fashion with wearability. How to style stilettos? Stilettos are incredibly versatile. Pair them with a chic little black dress for a formal event, or dress them down with skinny jeans and a crisp white blouse for a smart casual look. In 2024, monochrome outfits are making a comeback, and a bold colored stiletto can be the perfect pop of color to break the monotony. Think electric blues, neon greens, and deep reds. Comfort considerations. Let's not forget about comfort. While stilettos are undeniably beautiful, they can be challenging to wear for long periods. Many brands are now incorporating more cushioning and better arch support to improve comfort. Additionally, choosing a stiletto with a slightly wider heel can help with balance, especially if you are wearing them for extended periods. Celebrities and stilettos. Stilettos are a favorite among celebrities, from red carpets to street style stars like Zendaya, Rihanna, and Gigi Hadid are frequently sported in towering heels. In 2024, we are seeing more minimalist stiletto designs on the red carpet, thin straps and neutral tones that elongate the leg and keep the focus on the overall ensemble. Key brands and designers. Some of the top brands to watch for stiletto heels in 2024 include Christian Louboutin, known for their iconic and red soles; Manolo Blahnik, timeless elegance with intricate detailing; GOCP Zenotti, daring designs with a touch of edge; Amena Modi, featuring her signature pyramid-shaped heel. Whether you are looking for a classic stiletto or something more avant-garde, these designs are sure to have the perfect pair. Introduction to moles. Moles have been gaining popularity in recent years, and 2024 is no different. These shoes, defined by their open back and slap-on style, are not only convenient but also incredibly chic. The beauty of moles lies in their versatility. They can be worn casually or dressed up for more formal occasions. 2024 Mole Trends. 2024 is bringing a fresh way of innovation to the mole category. Think spectral heels, vibrant colors, and comfortable material, satin and sleek moles are trending for evening wear, while leather and suede remain popular choice for daytime looks. Square toes are also making a major comeback, giving moles are more modern and easy weave. Styling moles of different occasions. For a day out, pair a flat or black-heeled mole with a full midi dress or tailored trousers. For evening events, opt for heeled moles with embellishments like pearls, rhinestones, or metallic finishes. They are also perfect for work wear. Sleek neutral colored moles can easily be paired with a pencil skirt or tailored suit for a polished professional look. Comfort and particularity. One of the biggest draw of moles is their comfort. With no back strap, they allow for more freedom of movement and they are usually easier to walk in compared to stilettos. However, make sure they fit snugly to avoid slipping. Look for padded insoles or low chunky heels for all-day comfort. Celebrity inspiration and key designers. Moles are also a celebrity favorite. Bella Hadid, Hailey Bieber, and Meghan Markle have all been seen rocking moles in various styles. Some of the top designers for moles in 2024 includes Bottega Veneta, famous for their quality leather moles. Gucci for their embellished and logo-centric designs. The raw, minimalist, and modern, perfect for understand elegance. Introduction to sandals. As the weather heats up, sandals become the go-to footwear, but in 2024, sandals are not just for the beach or casual outings. Designers are bringing high fashion elements to sandals, making them suitable for almost any occasions. 2024 sandal trends. In 2024, sandals are all about the details. Expect to see intricate lace ups, gladiator styles, and delicate ankle stops, chunky platform. Sandals are also trending, offering a nod to the 90s revival we are seeing in fashion overall. And for those looking to make a statement, bold colors and metallic finishes are perfect for elevating your summer wardrobe. How to style sandals. Flat sandals are ideal for a laid-back, casual look. Pair them with denim shorts, maxi dresses, or even wide-legged trousers for a dressers. Occasions opt for heeled sandals with delicate straps, metallic or beige weld. Sandals can elevate a simple outfit, making them perfect for evening events or summer weddings. Comfort and versatility. Sandals are often the go-to choice for comfort during the summer months. Whether you are choose flats, platforms, or heels, there are plenty of options that offer both style and support. Look for cushion foot pads, footbeds, adjustable straps, and breathable materials like leather or canvas to ensure comfort. Designer spotlight. Some of the best designers for sandals in 2024 include Hermes. Timeless and comfortable designs. Ancient Greek sandals, perfect for a boho chic with their handmade leather sandals. Cello known for their feminine and elegant styles, often with intricate details. Recap and final thoughts. So whether you are a fan of the timeless elegance of stilettos, the easy sophistication of molds, or the laid-back chicness of sandals, 2024 has something for everyone. These shoe trends offer a perfect blend of style, comfort, and innovation, making it easier than ever to find the perfect pair for any occasions. Which show trend are you most excited about? Let us know in the comments below. Do not forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss a fashion forward updates. Thank you for watching, and until next time, stay fashion.